tractor. Day 4, wheelie challenge. No business development tips to speak of today, really. I did get 2 first meetings set up, which is kind of a threshold goal, so I'm stoked about that. I'm just going to get right into it. Today we're working on our vision, looking just over the front wheel, kind of with a relaxed feel, kind of looking at the ground in front of us. Then we're going to work a little bit on over and under, exaggerating our front wheel lift to kind of get that feel of smoothness. And then we're going to hit the practice pattern, do 1 pedal stroke, 2 pedal strokes, and 3 pedal strokes. So here goes. Alright, so that was a little too charged up. Let's go for less energy. Okay, so less energy. Kind of like more energy, more. Kind of get a better feel for what's going on. And I'm going to try, I noticed like playing with my vision was pretty helpful. So I'm going to go ahead and move into my practice work now. 1 stroke, 2 stroke, 3 strokes. All right, there we go. Day 4 in the books. Hopefully I'm getting better. Not sure. No, I'm sure. I'm getting better. See you next time.